भाई आज का वीडियो क्रेजी होने वाला है। इंडियाज मोस्ट अफोर्डेबल डॉल्बी एटमॉस साउंड बार। मतलब यूर गेटिंग अ साउंड बार with a dedicated subwoofer, lots of features with Dolby ATMOS support under 10,000 rupees. Zebronics has just launched their all new Juke Bar 1000 and we already got the unit in the house, and this is what we'll be unboxing and checking out, guys. It's got some crazy features with a powerful subwoofer as well. So I am very excited to talk about this product in this video. Let's quickly get started with the unboxing. Our brand new Juke Bar 1000 from Zebronics came in this sort of box packaging. As I've told you, this is the most affordable Dolby ATMOS soundbar with a dedicated subwoofer. Packaging is also pretty nice. They're actually going quite colorful these days with their products. You got the Zebronics branding over here, model mentioned, which I've told you is Juke Bar 1000, right? And lots of information as well. So we will be talking about all the features, but anyways, talking about the main highlights, it features a premium glossy finish and comes with a dedicated subwoofer and also offers like multi connectivity options. You have Bluetooth, you have aux, HDMI, lots of options are there. And going to the backside here, you've got some more product details about Juke Bar 1000. Just have a look at them. Quickly unboxing the packaging. There you go. Here's the product we've been waiting for. Came nicely packed in this thermocol sort of packaging. And there you go, our very first hands-on and look at the Juke Bar 1000 from Zebronics. Oh wow. Nice finishing. The soundbar weighs around like 2 kgs in the hand, and it's a dual driver soundbar. Keeping that aside, in the package you also have some accessories. These are your wall mounting plates. You can even wall mount the soundbar as well, and a packet of accessories which includes a remote control for the home theater system. Design is very similar to the recent Juke Bar series. Plenty of options and buttons are available and has an overall soft touch feel, guys. Very good quality remote. You also get a mains cord for the soundbar and a 3.5mm aux to RCA cable included. Some stickers, wall mount installation screws, and 2 AAA batteries for the remote. And lastly, this is a subwoofer that you get with the soundbar. Has a sleek and tall design, and to the side you can actually check out the driver, plus a passive bass reflex port is also there at the back side. So that is pretty much it, our quick unboxing and initial impressions at the product. What I'll do is I'll quickly set it up, use it for a couple of days, and then be right back to share my complete experience on the product. It's been a couple of days I've been testing this product, and there is so much I'll have to talk about. So make sure to watch this video till the end. I'll be sharing my complete experience and feedback, especially if you're planning to buy this model. First of all, talking about the setup the walk in the park, guys, very simple. Soundbar has like multiple connectivity options. You can use Bluetooth. It supports Bluetooth version 5.3, and you can directly connect it to your TV via multiple methods. You can either go for HDMI, it even supports EARC, or you can use optical in, and aux support is also there, and a tiny USB port as well. You can even directly plug in your pen drives and listen to music just like that. So that was about the connectivity. And first of all, let me give you a closer look at the product and talk about the design and build quality. The Juke Bar 1000 has a very clean and premium looking design, especially for the price point. So it actually has like a twin tone design. 90% of the body is covered in black finishing, but you do have like silver accents here and there, like on the side profiles and also the logo and stuff like that. Build quality of the product is also quite good. The entire front panel is covered in a metallic mesh sort of finish, and behind that you have the actual drivers. And let me tell you, this is like a dual driver soundbar, and on the front you're getting two drivers. One is a 2.16 inch driver and the other one is a 3.34 inch driver. There is nothing on the sides. You have the Zebronics logo on the left and Dolby ATMOS certification on the right. Now going to the top side, here you can check out all your media control buttons, which include a power button, volume down, volume up is there, and an input source select. Quality of these buttons is also nice, feel tactile and clicky. Overall build quality of the product is very good. Entire body is made of like a polycarbonate sort of material. And talking about the dimensions, you can see I've placed the soundbar in front of my 65-inch TV. Here's how it looks like. The length, if you talk about that, right, it's roughly around like 0.8 to 0.9 meters, so obviously less than 1 meter. And let me also give you like a closer look and show you all the available connectivity ports on this model. You get a AC in to connect the mains cord, and this is where you'll need to connect the subwoofer. Optical in is there, aux line in is available, USB port to connect pen drives up to 32 GB, and lastly an HDMI port that even supports EARC. So that was about the soundbar. Keeping it aside, let's also talk about the subwoofer. Subwoofer has a sleek and tall form factor. It's actually quite slim for a subwoofer, guys. There's nothing much on the front, just a clean matte black surface with Zebronics logo on the bottom. And to the left, this is where you have the actual subwoofer driver. It's a 5.24 inch driver. And at the back, you also have like a passive bass reflex port available. Build quality of the subwoofer is also nice. Entire body is made of like good quality MDF material, and it might actually looks like slim in the video, but this thing is like pretty heavy, guys. Easily weighs around like 4.8, 4.9 kgs in the hand. And talking about the connectivity, there's nothing complicated over here. It's a passive subwoofer. You simply need to connect this cable that you have at the back of the subwoofer directly into the soundbar, and that's it. You're all set, good to go. So what I'll do is I'll quickly power on the TV, play some music videos, music sample demos, just listen to them for some time, and then I'll be back and we'll talk about the audio quality on this system. Okay, you people heard the sound, right? What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comment section down below. Now, if you'd ask me, audio quality on this Juke Bar 1000 is actually quite impressive for the price point, guys. Like seriously, it's one of the most affordable soundbar with a dedicated subwoofer that actually supports Dolby ATMOS, and I was not expecting this. I've watched like a variety of content. I've watched like music videos, a couple of videos on YouTube, and also like movies on Amazon Prime Video, Netflix, and stuff like that, and was actually quite enjoying the whole experience. Especially if you talk about the mid-range and the vocals, all the dialogues were like clearly audible without much muddiness, and dialogue delivery performance was actually pretty decent over here. And coming to the treble performance, treble was decent, I would say. Not super fine as you would see on like premium level stuff, but again, hey, it's an affordable level Dolby ATMOS soundbar, so don't expect a lot. But TK treble performance was like decent for the price point. And coming to the bass, now initially I was not expecting this over here, guys. By looking at the size of that subwoofer, I was a bit skeptical, to be honest, but nothing like that. Once I powered on the system and played a couple of title tracks and movies, right, I was blown away by the bass for the price point, guys. Don't judge a book by its cover, that's why they say it. Bass was like really good. This system was producing like solid thumping bass and has like a really nice low frequency response as well. Also, a lot of people actually have this doubt regarding speaker placement of your home theater system, especially the subwoofer. Like, where should you place a subwoofer in your living room to get the best possible bass results? So ideally, subwoofer should be placed on the floor, guys, either on your left corner or right corner near your TV. That would give you like best possible bass results with like a really good low frequency thump. It had a good stereo separation and dynamic range was also nice. You will absolutely love watching movies, or especially scenes which have like gun firings, bomb blastings, right? You will enjoy this sort of experience on this system. And if you ask about the distortion, THD levels were like quite minimum, up to 90% volume level. Beyond that, you could feel slight distortion, but quite acceptable, I would say. And audio output is also like quite loud, guys. I've told you, right, it's a total 150 watt home theater system. Soundbar alone can produce around like 60 watts, plus the subwoofer can produce around like 90 watts. So totally 150 watts of output. Plenty for home purpose, guys. You would not go beyond 20 volume level. Around 18, 19 only I was like quite satisfied. Beyond that, I think my neighbors would definitely start complaining. So no problem over here. Lastly, if you ask about the Dolby ATMOS experience, yes, it can decode Dolby ATMOS content on OTT platforms like Netflix and Prime Video, but don't compare it with like real 5.1 or 7.1 home theater systems, because here you're not getting like rear satellite speakers, right? So you won't get that 3D surround sound sort of effect. Also, soundbar doesn't have like top channel speakers, right? So true depth will not be there. But again, it's like an affordable model. Zebronics also has like premium models that come with like rear satellite speakers for that true true 3D surround sound effect. So if you are looking for something like that, obviously you'll need to spend a bit more and go for the premium models from the same company. I actually have got like a recent model. It's their newest 9000 series Juke Bar, which I'm currently testing right now. That video will also be coming very soon, probably in like 4 or 5 days, so stay tuned for that. That is like a much more premium Dolby Atmos system with a rare satellite speakers also and a much more powerful sound output. So this is something you can definitely look forward to. Well, that is pretty much it, our video on Zebronics all new Juke Bar 1000. This, as I've told you, is the most affordable soundbar with a dedicated subwoofer that actually supports Dolby Atmos in India. Good quality product for the price point. Overall look and feel is nice, audio quality is also good, and offers like plenty of connectivity features. If I had to nitpick, only thing I would say is, since the body has like a glossy piano black sort of finish, right, it kind of easily attracts dust and swirl marks easily. So this is something you'll have to keep in mind. But apart from that, everything else was fine. It costs around 9,999 rupees in India. I'll leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.